England, the ultimate blow dryer. So let's unbox this together. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god, and it's pink again. Okay, there's nothing in the box. Wow. Full of pink. Oh my god. Pink and rose gold. What a classy color this is, you guys. Oh my god, I'm wild. Let me give you guys the 360. Wow, this is amazing. It also has this 360 twill, yeah. Guys, oh my days. It's pretty. Like very pretty. Lily England. One good thing about this hairdryer is that it is lightweight. Like you feel like you're not carrying anything. These are the settings. You could turn it on here, turn it off. Let's connect it to light and let's see the magic that this is going to do. Get this to work. So now this is going to up to besties. I'm not kidding you. Like my hair, this side is dried. You can see the difference compared to this side. Let's go again. Show me a better hairdryer than this, guys. I'm gonna wait. Guys, I don't want to believe this. Like my hair got dried in like 2 seconds. How amazing. Another amazing fact about this is that you don't even need to be worried about the heat damaging your hair. This has an overheating hair protector, so your hair is covered. So now, because of the way I'm surprised, I need to show you guys that this truly works. So I'm going to put water on my hair and we are going to blow dry it in 2 seconds and you guys are going to see the difference. So I'm going to wet my hair. Literally you guys. Look at this side. See how wet it is, right? Let's blow dry. Guys, this is just 1 second. So now let me brush that side for you guys so you guys will see that. Can you see this side properly? You can see how dry it is. This actually dries and even straightens my hair. I have not added any extra thing to my hair, just the hair dryer. And this part, you can see how straight it looks. Besties, now that you've seen the amazing work, the powerful work of this pretty hair dryer, it is not only pretty but doing the Lord's work. So are you guys going to run to Amazon to get it from the Lily England? Just go to Amazon and type the Lily England hair dryer. So let me know in the comment section. This is now my favorite hair dryer, besties. Bye, darlings.